Hello, welcome back. Today I will talk about 8 amazing oils for your skin, which you can use on their own or mixed with other oils, creating your homemade blend that suits your skin best. And if the feeling of pure oil isn't really your thing, don't worry. I've shared some great tips at the end of the video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe, leave your like and comment, hit the notification bell and share this video, and seize every opportunity to live a more natural life. The first oil is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a truly fantastic moisturizer, as its unique status as a liquid wax ester closely mimics human sebum. It is neither heavy nor greasy. Instead, it creates a lightweight, breathable veil upon the skin. This effectively locks in the moisture and prevents dehydration, leaving the skin thoroughly hydrated and radiant. In addition to its wax esters, the oil delivers a blend of vitamin E, omega-9, and phytosterols. This powerful combination balances oil production and soothes irritations, restoring a soft texture and acting as a natural barrier that protects the skin from the elements. The oil has a delicate, nutty scent and is incredibly stable. It works by gently pulling dirt and impurities out of the skin. It is suitable for all skin types, even oily or sensitive skin. Its smooth texture also makes it a good choice for a luxurious facial massage. Try using jojoba with argan oil to create a nourishing daily facial serum, or you can mix it with rosehip and evening primrose oil to promote a natural, healthy glow. Alternatively, consider black cumin or andiroba oil for help clear the skin. The second oil is argan oil. This golden oil is packed with nourishing fats, specifically oleic, linoleic, and palmitic acids. It has also vitamin E that shield the skin from environmental damage. This combination makes this oil a powerhouse for revitalizing the complexion and maintaining a youthful glow. It is mainly used in products for mature skin, and due to its lightweight texture, it is easily absorbed without leaving a greasy feel. The third oil is the rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is often called a dry oil because it absorbs so quickly without leaving a heavy, oily film, making it perfect for people who dislike the greasy feeling of other oils. Beyond the essential fatty acids crucial for a healthy-looking barrier such as omegas 3 and 6, this oil features vitamins A and C that gently exfoliates to reveal a smoother, more radiant glow. It also contains vitamin E that helps shield the skin from environmental stressors. In addition, rosehip oil are rich in carotenoids, such as lycopene and beta-carotene. These micronutrients, besides contributing to the oil's distinctive reddish-orange hue, are known for their ability to protect the skin's surface and improve its appearance. The fourth oil is sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is considered one of the very best sources of vitamin E. This helps to shield the skin's appearance from the drying effects of the sun and pollution, ensuring the skin remains soft, supple, and resilient. Additionally, sweet almond oil is rich in phytosterols. These specialized lipids are similar to those found in our skin's natural barrier. When applied topically, they act just like the skin's natural oils to strengthen this moisture barrier and keep the skin deeply hydrated. It is rich in oleic acid and contains vitamin A and squalene, which are known for their exceptional emollient properties. This makes it a highly versatile oil, used to lock in hydration, soften, and reinforce the skin's moisture barrier while promoting an even-toned appearance. It is also often used in skin cleansing, soap making, and as massage oil. The fifth oil is avocado oil. Avocado oil is exceptionally rich in beneficial fatty acids, primarily oleic acid, omega-9, and linoleic acid, omega-6. Its impressive profile includes lecithin and beta-carotene, which are easily absorbed to deeply dry skin. Furthermore, it is a natural source of vitamins A and E, powerful antioxidants that help revitalize the skin's appearance and protect against environmental stresses. This nutrient-rich oil is ideal for promoting a soft, hydrated, and radiant complexion. It also serves as an excellent massage oil and a powerful ally to minimize the visible appearance of fine lines and expression wrinkles. You can try this versatile oil with jojoba oil or blend it with rosehip or even with calendula macerated oil, especially for the delicate area around the eyes. If you haven't seen the video on how to make your own macerated oil, I'll leave the link in the description below. The sixth oil is coconut oil. Coconut oil is remarkably rich in lauric acid, which helps to reinforce and deeply moisturize skin that is intensely dry. It works to support the function of the skin's lipid barrier, effectively locking in moisture to leave the skin feeling exceptionally soft and supple. It also contains myristic acid, which is known for its exceptional cleansing and emollient properties. Its unique structure makes it an essential base for creating soaps, lip balms, nourishing hair formulations, among others products. Due to its rich profile and medium to slow absorption rate, coconut oil may feel heavy and clog the pores. Therefore, it is preferable to use it as a body moisturizer or a pre-shampoo hair mask. You can also blend it with lighter oils, such as jojoba oil. A great option is to apply it to your body after a shower while your skin is still damp. You can choose to leave it on for deep conditioning or lightly rinse it off for a silkier, non-greasy finish. And the seventh oil is castor oil. This oil is extracted from castor beans and known for its pale yellow color and thick, honey-like consistency. Characterized by its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, castor oil acts as a potent emollient, soothing and purifying the skin. It is a traditional favorite for strengthening and enhancing the resilience and shine of the hair, making it appear thicker and more robust. Beyond that, castor oil acts as a deep cleanser that lifts impurities and locks in moisture to soften texture and smooth the look of fine lines. However, due to its high viscosity, it takes longer to absorb and can feel a bit tacky if used on its own. It is best to use only a few drops in your skin diluted in a lighter carrier oil. It improves the spreadability and ensures a smoother application. And the last oil is acai oil. Acai oil is a dark green oil. It has a unique mix of anthocyanins, phytosterols, and fatty acids like omega-3, 6, 7, and 9, as well as oleic and palmitic acids. In addition, acai oil is packed with vitamins A, C, and E. This unique combination makes it a powerful nourishing and revitalizing agent. It's also great for softening expression lines. It seals in hydration, leaving the skin looking plump and radiant. And now let's move on to the tips. The first tip for using vegetable oils is to apply them while your skin is still damp. Moist skin allows the oil to spread more evenly and absorb more effectively than on dry skin, and you will need a much smaller amount of oil. You can moisten your face with water, hydrosols, thermal water, or even a chilled herbal tea. Apply 2 to 3 drops of oil and gently massage the oil into your skin using upward circular motions until fully absorbed, and you're all set. The second tip is avoid applying an excessive amount of oil to your skin. Some oils are fast absorbing, while others sit longer on the skin's surface. When an oil with a slow absorption rate is used in excess, it can leave the skin feeling uncomfortably greasy. To avoid this, prefer lighter oils and apply them in small amounts. The third tip is to choose the vegetable oils that best suit your skin. You can use a single oil or make a blend with the oils that suit your skin best. However, always remember to perform a patch test to ensure your skin reacts well to your chosen ingredients. As a fourth tip, vegetable oils can be used 3 to 4 times a week or daily, depending on your skin's needs. If you are addressing a temporary concern, such as seasonal dryness, you may adjust your usage once the skin's moisture balance is restored. You can also use a few drops after your daily facial moisturizer or after lighter water-based serums to maintain a lightweight feel. Choose the option that best suits your skin. The fifth and final tip is, you can use vegetable oils for daily cleansing. Some oils like castor oil, jojoba, and sweet almond oil are exceptionally effective for this purpose. To try this, just dampen your face with water, apply the oil and massage the skin with your fingertips. Then, take a soft cotton towel soaked in warm water and gently sweep away the excess oil. That's it. Your skin will feel amazing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Hit the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Leave your comment below and see you in the next video.